They say use the info below to reconcile the creditors control and the creditors list, and this time they give it to you debit credit. So instead of writing plus or minus, you're going to write debit or credit. Debits would be a minus, credits would be a plus. Okay, so an invoice for what? Okay, so firstly we have to get the wrong balances, which they give me creditors. Now, what side would this go? Oh yes, the balance BD. Let's quickly do this. The BD is this side, and CJ, CPJ, CAJ. So the balance is on the plus side. So it would be 19, 940, and 19 260. Right. Now, an invoice, meaning a plus, invoice is a plus, has not been entered in the journal. So if it's not in the journal, it's nowhere. So I need to put it in both. 1760, 1760. A debit note is a minus. Oh no, sorry, a discount, also a minus. A discount had not been entered in the account, so it's a single person, so it's only the list. Right. A debit note, which is also a minus, had not been entered in the CAJ, so it's nowhere. So I need to put it in both. Sorry for my nose. Yo, I've got hay fever like crazy. It's horrible. Sorry for that. So that would be 32. 32. I'm like a troll today. Okay, number 4. The CJ, now I can see, CJ means it's just the control, has been undercost. So I have to make it more with 300. And now I see I didn't give you enough lines, so I'm somehow going to go and draw myself lines extra here, number 5 and 6. The creditors list, meaning this here, is undercost by 1,000. So I need to add 1,000 here. And the opening balance of the control is overcost with 100. So overcost means I want to make it less. Is everybody sharp with this? Yes. As long as you can figure out what you did, it's sharp. Okay. Okay, I am recording. Let me just stop recording. Okay. So what she's asking, please can we not talk? What she's asking here, this 300. When they say the creditor's journal has been undercost, can you see they don't mention that a person has been undercost? So when they talk like this, they are talking the total is not added right. They would have said, when we posted C van der Merwe, we undercost the amount in the journal to 700. So that specific person in the journal was undercost, meaning the total is wrong and the person is wrong. You will definitely know, they will mention that the person is wrong. Okay, yes.
While on number 1 and number 3, they entered in both the creditors control and list of creditors.
Because they say this is not in the journals. Can you see? This has not been entered in the journal. So meaning it's nowhere. It's still, if we go look at the map, you remember I gave you a map. If I can find the map, I'll be happy. If you look at the map, can you see we start with the transaction? So in this case, the transaction started, but it's not entered in the journal. So can you see, we are only there yet still. We haven't done anything else yet. Okay? Does that make sense? And with what she was asking with the creditor's journal was overcast. Can you see it's in the journal?
Um,
Okay, so the total is wrong. Okay. So now I need to add. So let's add both. So this gives me 3,300. This gives me what?
22000.
And this gives me 3,320. And this gives me?
22020.
Okay. Now I want the balance. And the balance would must now obviously go to the credit side. Nee? Because it's the biggest one. Because you can see both the credits is bigger than the debits. So 22 less 33 gives me 1670, 18,700. Huh?
18700.
Yeah, 18,700. And then this one will also give me 18,700. You see? Yes.